Hello dear children of class 4. Today we will learn chapter 3 from your English moral value book. Inspiration is like a spark. This is a story about a pencil. A pencil inspiration of me that how to useful of the pencil. How to this pencil is very important for us. So let's start the theme parable of the pencil. Students, listen to carefully. The pencil maker took the pencil aside just before putting it into the box. There are 5 things you need to know, he told the pencil, before I send you out into the world. Always remember them and never forget, and you will become the best pencil. 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. Student. Number 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time, but you will need it to become a better pencil. 3. You will be able to correct any mistake you might make. For the most important part of you will be what's inside. And 5. On every surface you are used on, you must leave your mark. No matter what is the condition is, you must continue to write. The pencil understood and promised to remember and bond into the box with purpose its heart. Now replacing the place of the pencil with you, always remember and never forget the 5 things. You will become the best person you can be. 1. You will be able to work wonder, but only if you allow yourself to be held in God's hand. Allow other hands begin to access you for the many gifts you purpose. 2 number. You will be experience pain from time to time by going through various problems in life, but you will need it to become a stranger person. 3. You will be able to cross any hurdle you might come across. 4. The most important part of you will depend on what's in your mind. Number 5. On every surface you reach, you must leave your impression. No matter what the situation is, you must continue to do your duties. Also, allow the parable on the pencil to encourage you to know that you are a special person and only you can fulfill the purpose to which you were born to accomplish. Moral: never allow yourself to get discouraged. Think that your life is significant and cannot make a charge. Life to the fullest. Okay, so student, it's a story of your chapter 3. You must read this chapter with meaningful and do exercise. Okay, thank you.